Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beer bouquet. First, gather all your essential supplies. You'll need between 6 and 12 bottles or cans of your favorite craft beers, ensuring a good variety. Next, select a sturdy container, perhaps a small bucket or a decorative basket, to hold everything securely. Don't forget floral foam, wooden skewers, and plenty of colorful tissue paper for filler. Finally, grab some ribbons, cellophane, and any small, complimentary gifts you wish to include. Now, let's build a solid foundation for your bouquet. Begin by placing the floral foam securely inside your chosen container. You might need to trim the foam to fit snugly. Use strong adhesive tape or a bit of hot glue to ensure the foam doesn't shift around. Next, insert several wooden skewers into the foam, spacing them evenly. These skewers will provide crucial support for your beer bottles and other elements, so make sure they are firmly planted. With your base ready, it's time to arrange the stars of the show, the beers. Carefully attach each beer bottle or can to a wooden skewer using strong, clear tape, ensuring it's very secure. Position the beers at different heights within the foam to create an appealing, dynamic look. Then, fill any empty spaces with crumpled tissue paper or shredded filler to add volume and color. You can also skewer small snacks or a bottle opener to enhance the gift. Finally, let's add those perfect finishing touches to complete your beer bouquet. Gently wrap the entire arrangement in clear cellophane, gathering it at the top and securing it tightly. This not only protects the contents, but also gives it a professional, polished look. Next, tie a beautiful decorative ribbon around the gathered cellophane, adding a pop of color. Don't forget to attach a personalized gift tag, making your thoughtful present even more special and ready to delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.